In the ICU in Southern California, very, very low numbers to the rest of California as well, but the vaccine is being rolled out. Anyway, cases continue to climb as health officials warn of another surge brought on by holiday Christmas travel. And with millions of people getting vaccinated, some states are cracking down on vaccine fraud. Fox's Katie Byrne is joining us now from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania with the latest. Katie, thanks for joining us tonight.
CDC says more than 11 million vaccines have been distributed across the country as of yesterday. And with so many out there, some states are dealing with another hurdle, vaccine fraud. In New York, a Brooklyn-based clinic is under investigation for wrongfully giving out the Moderna vaccine to the general public. The clinic says it didn't do anything illegal, but the governor there is now saying healthcare providers will be fined up to $1 million if they commit vaccine fraud. Meanwhile, some states are on to the next phase of vaccinations. Nursing home residents and staff are joining frontline workers and first responders in getting their vaccines. And today, Vice President-elect Kamala Harris got hers live on television.
Really quickly, it is safe. The Moderna, the Pfizer today, I had the Moderna vaccine. My husband is going to have it today as well. I look forward to getting the second vaccine. And literally, this is about saving lives. I want to encourage.
Now, California and Tennessee are seeing the highest number of new daily coronavirus cases per capita as states prepare for another round of vaccine shipments. Another 16 million more vaccines are expected to be distributed over the next week. Andrew?
So, Katie, are states like California and Tennessee doing anything different now that cases are surging there in those states?
Well, as we just heard, I believe it was the governor of California in the last couple hours, he's come out saying that he's going to be extending the stay-at-home order in parts of the state that are dealing with record hospitalizations. And then in Tennessee, the governor there basically said last week that he was limiting in-person gatherings to 10 people. But since this new spike, nothing new there.
And Katie, I did want to ask just about this new strain. That strain that we were following in the UK has now made its way across the pond, and someone here in the United States has been found to have that variant. We were just hearing from the Colorado governor, Jared Polis, about someone in his state. Can you kind of just offer some more information on what that exactly means going forward?
Yeah, so today the governor of Colorado confirmed that it discovered its first case of this variant that was first discovered in the UK. It was discovered in a man in his 20s who had no travel history of going to the UK, which is interesting to think about. And now a lot of people are wondering if these vaccines will be effective against this new strain. Well, the BioNTech spokesperson came out last week saying that it's confident its vaccine, which it produced with Pfizer, will be effective against it. And even if it's not, they'll be able to come up with a new version of the vaccine within 6 weeks. Andrew?
All right, Fox's Katie Byrne live for us there in Philadelphia, breaking down all of the latest on what's happening with vaccine progress and these rising cases around the country after the Christmas holiday. Katie, thanks so much.
Thanks, Andrew.
All right, well, those were our two live reporter hits in this hour, this 4 o'clock hour. We do have a lot of great content coming up for you. It's the bottom half of the hour here in Phoenix, Arizona. We are going to be live for quite some time today on this Tuesday after Christmas, the 29th. Though we did just want to